breaking the cycle of living, paycheck to paycheck. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into topics that matter most to you. Today, we're tackling a subject that hits close to home for many of us, breaking the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. We all know the stress and anxiety that comes with constantly feeling like we're just one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to explore the importance of financial stability and share some accountant-approved solutions to help you take control of your finances. Let's face it, the struggle of living paycheck to paycheck is all too real for so many of us. It can feel like a never-ending cycle of working just to make ends meet, with little to no room for saving or investing in our future. But it doesn't have to be this way. By understanding the root causes of this cycle and implementing practical strategies, we can start to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck grind and build a more secure financial future for ourselves. In this video, we'll be delving into the common financial challenges that come with living paycheck to paycheck, from the stress of not knowing if you'll have enough to cover your bills to the feeling of being stuck in a never-ending cycle of debt. We'll also be discussing the impact that this lifestyle can have on your mental and emotional well-being, as well as the long-term consequences of not taking steps to break free from this cycle. So, what can you expect to learn from this video? We'll be sharing practical tips and strategies to help you start taking control of your finances, from creating a budget that works for you to setting achievable financial goals. We'll also be discussing the importance of building an emergency fund and exploring ways to increase your income and decrease your expenses. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to help you break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and start building a more stable financial future. Let's dive in. Understanding the cycle, living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is a financial situation where individuals rely on each paycheck to cover their basic expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation, with little to no savings or buffer for unexpected costs. This cycle can be a vicious one, trapping individuals in a constant struggle to make ends meet and leaving them vulnerable to financial instability. The implications of living paycheck to paycheck are far-reaching and can have a significant impact on individuals' financial well-being and overall quality of life. Imagine this scenario. Sarah is a single mother working full-time as a receptionist at a local clinic. Despite working hard and diligently managing her budget, Sarah finds herself constantly struggling to cover her bills and expenses. She often has to make tough choices between paying for groceries or paying her utility bills, and the stress of living paycheck to paycheck weighs heavily on her mind. Sarah dreams of being able to save for her daughter's college education and build a better future for their family, but the reality of her financial situation makes it seem like an impossible feat. The cycle of living paycheck to paycheck can create a sense of constant financial stress and anxiety, as individuals are always on edge about whether they'll have enough money to cover their expenses each month. This stress can take a toll on their mental and emotional well-being, leading to feelings of helplessness, frustration, and even shame. Additionally, living paycheck to paycheck can limit individuals' ability to plan for the future, invest in their long-term goals, or respond to unexpected financial emergencies. The limitations of living paycheck to paycheck are not just financial, they can also impact individuals' overall quality of life. From missing out on opportunities for personal and professional growth to feeling trapped in a cycle of scarcity and lack, the effects of this financial struggle can be profound. In the next section, we'll explore practical strategies to help break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building a more secure financial future. Stay tuned. Identifying root causes. Why individuals find themselves in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. There are several common reasons why individuals may find themselves trapped in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, each contributing to their financial instability in unique ways. From overspending and lack of budgeting to low income and debt accumulation, these root causes can create a perfect storm that perpetuates the cycle and makes it difficult for individuals to break free. Overspending is a major factor that can lead individuals into the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Whether it's succumbing to impulse purchases, living beyond one's means, or failing to prioritize needs over wants, overspending can quickly deplete one's financial resources and leave them struggling to make ends meet. Without a solid budget in place to track expenses and allocate funds wisely, individuals may find themselves constantly chasing after the next paycheck to cover their mounting bills. Low income is another significant root cause of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. For many individuals, their wages may simply not be enough to cover the rising costs of living, leaving them with little room for savings or financial security. Inadequate income can make it challenging to build a financial cushion, invest in long-term goals, or weather unexpected financial setbacks, further perpetuating the cycle of financial instability. Debt accumulation is yet another factor that can contribute to the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or medical bills, carrying a heavy debt burden can eat away at individuals' income and limit their ability to make meaningful progress towards financial stability. The cycle of debt can be difficult to break, as interest payments and fees can quickly add up, making it even harder for individuals to get ahead financially. It's important to empathize with individuals who are caught in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, as the challenges they face are real and can have a profound impact on their well-being. By understanding the root causes of this cycle and taking proactive steps to address them, individuals can start to break free from the cycle and build a more secure financial future for themselves. In the next section, we'll explore practical solutions and strategies to help individuals take control of their finances and break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck grind. Stay tuned for more insights and tips. Accountant-approved solutions, breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Are you ready to take control of your finances and break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle? In this section, we'll be sharing practical strategies and tips endorsed by accountants to help you build a more secure financial future. By implementing these accountant-approved solutions, you can start to make meaningful progress towards financial stability and achieve your long-term financial goals. One of the key steps to breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is creating a comprehensive budget. By tracking your income and expenses, you can gain a clear understanding of where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back or reallocate funds. Setting a budget allows you to prioritize your financial goals, such as building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for retirement, and helps you stay on track with your spending. Saving is another essential component of financial stability. By setting aside a portion of your income each month for savings, you can build a financial cushion to protect against unexpected expenses and emergencies. Whether it's starting with a small amount and gradually increasing your savings rate or automating your savings contributions, establishing a savings habit can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving long-term financial success. By putting your money to work in investments such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, you can grow your wealth over time and increase your financial security. Working with a financial advisor or accountant can help you develop an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance, ensuring that you're making informed decisions about your money. Debt management is another crucial aspect of breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. By creating a plan to pay off high-interest debt, such as credit cards or personal loans, you can reduce your financial burden and free up more money to put towards savings and investments. Whether it's using the debt snowball method to tackle smaller debts first, or consolidating high-interest debt into a lower-rate loan, there are various strategies you can use to effectively manage and reduce your debt load. By implementing these accountant-approved solutions and taking proactive steps to manage your finances, you can start to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and build a more secure financial future for yourself. These practical strategies can help you achieve financial stability, reach your financial goals, and ultimately create a brighter financial future. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to take control of your finances and achieve financial success. Implementing change, transforming your financial future. Now that you have learned about accountant-approved solutions to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, it's time to take action and implement these strategies effectively in your own life. By following these practical steps and committing to your financial well-being, you can start to see real progress towards building a more secure financial future for yourself. Let's break down the steps for implementing each solution in a clear and practical manner. 1. Budgeting. Start by tracking your income and expenses to create a comprehensive budget. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending and allocate funds towards your financial goals. Use budgeting tools or apps to help you stay organized and on track with your spending. 2. Saving. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account each month to build your emergency fund and save for future goals. Start small and gradually increase your savings rate as you become more comfortable with your budget. 3. Investing. Consult with a financial advisor or accountant to develop an investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Consider diversifying your investments to minimize risk and maximize returns over the long term. Or debt management. Create a plan to pay off high-interest debt by prioritizing your debts and making extra payments whenever possible. Explore options such as debt consolidation or balance transfers to lower your interest rates and accelerate your debt payoff. As you implement these solutions, remember to track your progress and stay motivated throughout the process. Celebrate small victories along the way and stay focused on your long-term financial goals. It's important to stay committed to your financial well-being and make consistent efforts to improve your financial situation. While implementing change can be challenging, it's essential to address common challenges and offer tips for overcoming setbacks. Stay flexible with your budget and be willing to adjust your strategies as needed. Seek support from friends, family, or financial professionals to help you stay on track and overcome any obstacles that may arise. By staying committed to your financial goals and implementing these accountant-approved solutions with consistency and determination, you can transform your financial future and break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Remember, every step you take towards financial stability brings you closer to a brighter and more secure financial future. Keep pushing forward and believe in your ability to achieve financial success. In this video, we've explored the challenges of living paycheck to paycheck and the accountant-approved solutions to break free from this cycle and build a more secure financial future. It's clear that financial stability is crucial for our overall well-being, and by implementing practical strategies, we can take control of our finances and pave the way for a brighter financial future. We've discussed the importance of creating a budget, saving for emergencies, investing wisely, and managing debt effectively. These accountant-approved solutions provide a roadmap for achieving financial stability and breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck grind. By taking proactive steps and committing to your financial well-being, you can start to see real progress towards your financial goals. Breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle offers numerous benefits, including reduced financial stress, increased financial security, and the ability to plan for the future with confidence. By building a solid financial foundation, you can create opportunities for personal and professional growth, achieve your long-term goals, and enjoy greater peace of mind knowing that you're in control of your finances. Now is the time to take action and start implementing these solutions in your own life. Track your progress, stay motivated, and don't be afraid to seek support when needed. Remember, every small step you take towards financial stability brings you closer to a more secure and prosperous future. Together, we can empower ourselves to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and build a more stable and prosperous financial future. Thank you for watching, and here's to your financial success.